Alright, today we are timing the Magneto to the engine on the T210. So first what we're going to do is pull all the top spark plugs off and pull these out. Alright, so next we're going to crank the engine so we feel it just at the beginning of the compression stroke. Right there.
All right, next we're gonna put the top dead center locator in engine cylinder number 1. Come here. Watch me insert this. All right, we're gonna put that in there right there.
Fat hands are in the way.
My fat hands are in the way, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is good.
Nice and tight.
Okay. Now we're gonna install the timing indicator prop. Got these little things. Gonna put that over the propeller. Attach it to that portion. All right, so that is installed. It's tightened. And then we're gonna move the timing indicator to the top center.
All right, I'm Nick. We're gonna be turning this prop until we hit the top dead center indicator. Very slowly, so we don't mess up the piston, Jerry. All right, we've hit the top dead center indicator, as you can see, done. So come up to this front flange of the timing indicator. Put that at top center. Give it a little flick.
So, it's no again. We're going to rotate this backwards until we hit the top dead center locator again. Just like before, nice and gently. Don't want to damage the piston in any way. Alright, right there. And then, so we are at 80 degrees right now. What we're going to want to do is go half to 0, so right to 40 degrees. Right there.
We're gonna remove the top dead center locator from cylinder 1. It is gonna be a little tight at first, so you might have to use a socket to loosen it just a tad. Then you can finger tighten the rest. Just bear with me.
Buddy's never used his fingers before.
I use my fingers every night on your mom. Okay. Think you know where this goes next. Okay, now we're gonna find top dead center again. Noah's gonna assist with moving the prop, and I'm gonna have my thumb over cylinder 1 and feel once it goes to top dead center. Ready? Yeah, right there, right there.
Stop.
Yeah, stop.
Alright.
All right, so you found top dead center on cylinder 1. Come to this flange plate right here for timing indicator. Set it to TC. And then from there, spin it back to 20 degrees, as specified by Cessna on their data plates, or like Continental. We should be able to look on the timing tab that we are around 20 degrees.
Voila.
Hi, I'm Nick. We're back to timing the 210 with the flower pot method. So now we have found top dead center and 20 degrees according to Continental with their motors. So we'll come back, we'll spin the prop through a little bit. We've already done this before, but spin it. You'll hear the clicking of the mags. So then that way you're not sending voltage up to the timing light. We'll take the backlash out of it as well doing it this way. Tell me when I'm at 20.
Right there. Oh, back just a hair. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good right there.
All right, now that we're indicated at 20 degrees before top dead center, we can also verify this indication with the timing tab on the back of the motor. So as you can see,
Just go ahead.
right down in there is our little tab that says 20 degrees.
Hey, it's Noah again. So now we got the timing box set here. What we're gonna do right now is take our red alligator clip from the timing box and connect it to our right hand P lead, and our green one to our left hand P lead. Remember, right hand and left hand is always based off the pilot's view. And then we're going to take our black ground to just a known ground on the aircraft, like that tab there.
Hey, I'm Tim. Now we're going to be checking the magnetos themselves with the Magneto synchronizer test. So the prop is 20 degrees before top standard center, so we know that is where it needs to be in alignment. We're going to turn on the test. Okay, so right now we already know that the left-hand magneto is good, but the right-hand magneto is what we're going to be adjusting. I'm going to adjust these two bolts right here. There's one on the top right, one on the top bottom left. Adjust it. I already kind of got it started, and we're going to bring this right-hand magneto within alignment just by moving the actual magneto up. So right there. Oh, that's bizarre. Right there is where our magnetos are within alignment. Spielberg here. Hey, I'm back. Now we're gonna double check our work that the magnetos are within alignment with 20 degrees before top dead center. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this test on. So both magnetos are within alignment. We're gonna double check that down here. And it's at 20 degrees, as you can see. So, as you can see, when it comes out of alignment, the test will go off. And when it's back to 20 degrees, we're at 20 degrees.